Hello everyone. I have got more to say. I am telling you a story. Let's go to categories. This is about clothes. Let's go to page number 15. Turn the page. This is about a cat's shirt and his buttons. Let's start reading. Feed the cat and his 4 groovy buttons. Look, I can see all the buttons here. They are different colors. Which colors you can see? Describe colors. I can see yellow, blue, red, and green buttons. Pete the cat put on his favorite shirt with 4 groovy buttons. He loved his buttons so much, he sang this song. My buttons, my 4 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 4 groovy buttons. Oh, no! One of the button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? 3. Did Pete cry? You think he's feeling sad? No. He kept on singing his song. My things close button. My button, my 3 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 3 groovy buttons. Look at this picture. He's on the skateboard. I think he's going to have so much fun. But what happened? Oh no! Another button popped off and rolled away. So how many buttons are left? 2. But Pete is still feeling good and happy. Buttons come, buttons go. He kept on singing his song. My buttons. Would you like to sing with me? Yes? My buttons, my 2 groovy buttons. Look at this picture. What do you think he's doing? He's eating food, ice cream. I like ice cream. Do you? But what happened? No. Another button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? 1. Pete is still feeling very good. He's not sad. He is happy. Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song. Let's start. My button, my 1 groovy button. I can see water, sand and surfboard. Where do you think he's going? He's going to places Beach.
Beach.
He's going to have so much fun and play over there. But what happened? No! Another button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? None. Pete is still happy. Good. Pete looked down at his buttonless shirt, and what do you think he saw? He see his things, body parts, more belly button. And he kept on singing his song. My button, still have my belly button. My button, still have my belly button. I guess it simply goes to show that stuff will come, stuff will go. But do we cry? No. We kept on singing. Buttons come, buttons go. We always need to be happy and smiling. Finished.
Finish.
Thank you. Bye-bye.